Hey guys, before we start the video, I just want to say, make sure if you guys like and subscribe and go to the GitHub. I have decided to do issues, so if you guys have any issues, bugs, or suggestions, just go to the issues tab on the GitHub and just title it whatever you want, suggestions, bug reports, or whatever you want, and I'll look at them once every series probably. So yeah, let's get back into the video. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be finishing our gem core. This will be broken up into two parts, because I missed a day, so technically two parts. But yeah, since we missed a day, well, we're gonna make up that day. So today, we're gonna have two videos coming out about the gen server. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna want to do is we have our placing and our breaking done, which is like that might be 2% there. I don't know though. We also need to make it so whenever you break the gen, you get it. So let's do that real quick. So we're going to go here in a tier set. We're going to copy this and we're going to give player this, the ID being the tier, and this is the gem block. Okay. So now let's reload, and let's give ourselves a generator. So copy and paste the line that we just did. Remove the additional stuff, and now we got our little block. So you can place it and break it. We get our item back. Cool. Let's go ahead and make our upgrading. So the upgrading part, it might be hard, but we're gonna find out right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to our code. Make sure you add a new gen. I made one earlier. It's an iron block. And what we're gonna do is on right click. Hold up. So we're actually gonna copy these lines. And these lines will help us identify if it's a gen or not. And we're going to use the economy. So let's go ahead and make a new thing here. And we're gonna call it price. Should be a number. And listing price. It's also gonna be a number. I'd rather just be an int. But yeah. So this will be for a later feature that I'm gonna do. This is gonna be for what we're gonna do here. So we need to make all this work. So first off, let's do this. So price is gonna be 100. Listing price, 200. 100, 300. So I'm actually going to do 0 because this is going to be the first gen, and then this is going to be the price. So what I mean by that is we're going to make a gen listing, and so that's going to be the listing price, and then we're going to have the price before that. Looks like we can do this, so let's go do that. So we need to actually make two more variables here. We're going to do price and listing price. I'm gonna set this up to underscore listing price. And yeah, let's see. So let's give you a script. Looks like we have, I think it's working. I'm not 100% sure, but so now we're gonna go up here and we're going to find here this. So we're going to set the price, set underscore price to, and we're gonna grab the price. Yeah, the price. And we're going to do this. Set this, change this to tier. And then if player's balance is greater than or equal to price, I'm going to send can buy to player. So now go back to Minecraft, reload, and make sure you have essentials or any money plugin that you can use. But now if we place it, we right click. Oh wait, let me make sure I have some money. So we're going to do 200 and we can buy it. Also, we're going to do one check, which is if player is sneaking, then we're gonna run this and reload, can buy. Now we need to make it so it can remove money and update the gen. So let's go ahead and do that. So first off, we're going to set tier to tier +1. This will add one to the tier whenever we upgrade all that. Remove price from player's balance. And this is going to be our main code. We're going to set event-block to type of go down here. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it here. So we're gonna do tier, which will be the gem block, and let's see if all this works. So right click and it turns into this. Now you may notice something, which is it still drops the coal. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let me make this drop iron ingots. And yeah. So what we haven't done yet is we haven't actually given the generators the correct tier value. So let's go do that. So when we implement the place, we have this set int tag, and so we're going to do that, and we're going to set it to tier so that can work. We also need to get the player to do that. Copy and paste here. And if underscore text is player, then we're gonna run this. And now I don't know if it's required, but we're gonna do it anyways. We're going to set a string tag this to text. Right. So now, whenever we go over here and we place it, we can upgrade it and we'll start dropping iron ingots instead. We break it, we got our gem back, and yeah, so that's not really hard to make a upgrading system, but we need to make something to like make the player see if there's any issues with it. So send action bar loose 8 exclamation mark and 8 and okay, so let's see, maybe we could do upgraded gen to tier and to cut tier. Okay. So now I'm going to the gen core, and now upgraded your gen to tier 1. It looks like we didn't check if the tier, so like we did tier set, but we're supposed to do is do this. So yeah, let me fix the capitalization. I think that's good. Upgraded to tier there. Right. And we're gonna run this. If public that tier is set, it's gonna reload our gem core. And there you go. Now we can place, upgrade, and looks like that didn't completely fix it, which is weird. But oh, you know what? Make sure you add 1 before you do that. Let's try that again. Alright. So now else, make a few more messages. So we're gonna do C. Let me just do cash to players balance minus price. As well, we'll try this instead. Wait, it's cash. Okay, reload. -25. We need to do price minus. To upgrade. Move the dot. So I don't need that. So now we have this little upgrading fix. Upgrading style. So now we need to make a sell command. So let's do that. So where we do this, we're going to get this item here. And just do this. So drop settings. Drop of NBT compound of drop at gen 2 drop underscore drop no output of NBT compound of drop, well, of drop to get that later. So just do 25 for now. This, let's see if this fixes it. Yep, seems to be working. Let me make a thing that just goes through, I guess. And let's see. Load NBT. Okay, it sends us the NBT stuff. So let's just pick up an item and NBT it. So you can see drop settings, output 25. Now we need to actually get the actual output. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to set output to, and we're going to scroll down and find the output here. I'm gonna put that in underscore int, and then set this to output. Alright, so this is our stuff. Now instead of this NBT, since we know this works, I'm going to command slash cell trigger. I'm also going to move this down here. So we're going to trigger, and we're going to do, so we're going to loop all items in player's inventory, and then send loop dash item, because I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. Secure the scripts, cell. Right, so we're going to loop all items. Then we're going to do, where's the line check? Right here. So, if line 1 of lore of player of loop dash item contains drop, I think that's what we did. Let me see. Yeah, drop. We're going to reload it. And I did that on accident. Contains drop, and then we're going to go through the NPT. So set the drop value to, we're gonna grab this. So to int tag, drop settings, output of NBT compound of loop dash item. So now we're going to send drop value slash cell. Looks like we only got one value. Just loop all items. And let's see. Alright, 25. So it looks like it's only doing one of them. Oh, you know what? That's why. Okay, let me clear, and then let me get my item back. Run that. Let me shorten this to just like 0 seconds, pretty much. Reload. Sends that instantly. I'm gonna go back to, let's do 5 seconds for now. Okay. So cell 25. So we're also gonna do some multiplication. So amount to item amount of loop dash item. So driving times amount. So 1600, 1400. Set this to do underscore, and we're going to do if underscore is set and add underscore to player's balance. Set loop dash item to air and action bar at 8 at a exclamation 8. You've sold all your items for underscore. We're gonna make sure this is formatted. And let's see if this works. So we're actually gonna, nope, that's good. Underscore just worked. So yeah, the scripts. So okay, so since we're done with our selling, we're going to make our sellwand. Because we're already on topic with these cells. Yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new function. So let's go and do that. Go into our code. Scroll down here. We're gonna make a function down here, which is gonna be function. Actually, grab this. Okay. Function make sellwand. We're going to do just do multi number. And since we have that, we're just gonna make it return. Yeah, we'll make it return item. So we're gonna make it return an item type. And so we're gonna set item to, and we're going to need it to send our stuff. So how we're gonna make it or something is we're gonna do to blaze rod named sellwand, because it's just a regular color. Let me make this all caps. Sellwand, and then we'll just do this. Right. With lore, sellwand, new line, new line, at F, nope, at 7, at L, this, at F, information, new line, at 7, at L, and we're gonna do multiplier, which is going to be underscore multi, a new line, 7, we're gonna do, yeah, output, which is going to be 0 for now. And then $2 new line. This is gonna be items sold, like this, and we're just gonna make it, wait, let me make sure all this again. Items sold, 0 items. I'll just do 0. Alright, so this is gonna be what we have. And we're gonna return underscore item. So now scroll up, and I'm gonna make a command / sellwand, and we're gonna make it optional to number. Trigger make sellwand. We'll do 3.5. Right. And we need to set sellwand just to sell to this. Give sell to player. Scalar gencore. No errors / sellwand. And yeah, looks like we got everything working. Multiplayer output item sold. Great. I would like, it's fine. Alright, so we have someone. We need to make everything work. And I'll place it. I'll grab our items here. So we sellwand doesn't do anything. So let's go ahead and here, we'll make a thing here. So like sellwand gen core. So these up arrows. So the gen core, this is gonna be everything that's in it. We're gonna grab all this. This sell gen core. This will be sellwand stuff. We're gonna move this here. Okay. So sellwand here. We actually need to make this our last one. But now let's make our sellwand. So on right click, then we're going to do, let's go down here. If line 1 of war contains, and let's go ahead and get sellwand out. Sellwand. So if it contains sellwand, then we're going to set underscore to inventory of collectible block. And if, no, we're going to loop all items in underscore send loop dash item to player. Alright, let's see. So 64 colon test, 40 colon test. Alright. So just like this, and in here, we're just going to set this. We're going to then set the amount, then the drop value here. Set leaves and shine air. If underscore EMT is set, then we're gonna add EMT. Let's make sure we do this to here. EMT, EMT, and then copy this, paste it here to player, and there you go. So this should work. Let's test it. So let me do this. We sold it for none. It's doing that. Oh, nope. We forgot to specify the amount. So put it in there. 25. Alright. It works. Cool. We need to also make it so it's the amount. I think we do question mark 0. Let's see. So 25, 0. Okay. So let's do this for the next one. Your score is question mark 0. Alright. So put that in here. I kind of want to make it so... Alright, well, that's all for this video. We got a sell thing working, a sellwand, and gen upgrading. The next video that you're going to be watching is going to be gen lists, and I think maybe we can do a sell, or not sell, a mass one, which is like, I have code for it. We'll try to implement it. But in the next one, I'll see ya. Yo, it's me again. If you guys have any suggestions, remember to go to the GitHub and make on the report section, just title the thing suggestion, or if you have any bugs, just put bugs on the report and I'll look at them once every series. But yeah, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah. If you guys want to, hit the notification bell too. If you guys want to get reminded of all the series that I'm gonna come out with, because I have a lot. If you may notice, this video is very much compiled of a bunch of jump cuts. So that was in order to make the video shorter, so you guys can finish the series and this episode with a short notice. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.